In this video, we shall be discussing on gamma distribution. For more on this topic, we need to subscribe to this channel. We are asked to find the moment generating function for the gamma distribution, and this is the distribution given. How do we go about this? Solution. We should recall that for the moment generating function, the expectation of tx is equal to the integral of etx multiplied by f of x dx. So we'll be using this to obtain the moment generating function for the given distribution. So it means that anywhere we see this, because this is our function, we substitute this function into this integral. So we have our moment generating function to be equal to the integral of 0 to infinity exponential tx multiplied by, this function is the whole of this, so we impute it here, the beta x exponential negative beta x all over the gamma function dx. So what do? We now bring out these functions. We say the moment generating function of this will give us beta over alpha gamma distribution from 0 to infinity. We'll now be having this x alpha minus 1 multiplied by exponential negative bx multiplied by exponential tx dx. So this is what we'll get. Nothing has changed. What do we do next? We have to combine this. Combining this, we'll get our moment generating function to be beta gamma function into 0 to infinity alpha minus 1. We combine this to give us negative x, and x is common, so we bring it out. We say beta minus t, then x dx. We say, but we know that the whole of this function is something, but this function is equal to our gamma function all over beta t and alpha. So that is it. We come over to this side. The whole of this function here will give us this. So the next thing to do is to combine this and this. So we have here as our moment generating function to be equal to beta alpha all over gamma function multiplied by, so instead of this function we put down this, we'll have all over beta t alpha. Of course, this will cancel this. So our moment generating function will give us beta all over beta minus t alpha. So this is what we get as the moment generating function for the gamma distribution. So if you're looking for the gamma distribution for the continuous case, this is the procedure. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.